afternoon. Today is June 29, 2023. And it is Thursday. Yesterday, I did now interview for vaccine, FA, vaccine, family name, Almeres from now or meeting is the name. Tell your name. What words here video? Good service quality. Next, where quantity company. Pero when nag-apply quantity in El Salvador, dili pag-convert kayo March 2 pwede, but when man more para mag-start of work March 8, so only 6 days. Why 6 days I have an friend mama like other little one day support assist. So then when I start to work in El Salvador, March 8, yung sa manang day, what day? Monday, yeah. Okay, so nag-start ka Monday. So ang schedule sa time, past 7, 4, depend, 9 of me, overtime. And then, what ang first good experience in 1 week in El Salvador? Only there two. How much things? How much communication? So know that depth, awareness, depth, culture, and sign language. Then, so if no sign language, right? Understand is not there. No, ABC, DAFG. So then, where man na-assign a work? House, living. So pinaka na floor ang El Salvador, 3 floors ka. So near sa beach. So what time and if have OT, what time OT, overtime, OT. Department, OT, transfer, kitchen. So what ang ito sa kitchen? Your work, slicing. Ang slicing of meat or vegetable. Fruits, slicing of all. Okay, so tell next nga department, kitchen, sunod sa department sa every 2 weeks, change. Next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, okay, next one, good experience in El Salvador. What problem or challenge is there? Mix of drinks. And table. Restaurant. Okay. Kailan ba table? Visitor. Ito. Okay. Good. Then, what next para dito sa part? Food and drinking. F, and B. Food and drinking sa atin. Okay. F, B. Ito mga drink. So, what man bad experience. What man. Experience sometimes. Mirror. Don't know. Wala tayong guide dito. Wala tayong guide. Kaya maalam. Wala natin. Water. Hindi yan. So, nakuha. Pila ka po nakuha. Then, ano di? Ano This, same thing. Ano yun? Yes. Tak. So, every Saturday, Sunday, mag-cooking. Tomorrow is week. One day, when and next week. Friday, Monday, okay. So, bilang day absent or week? Why not? What reason? Other, if they wala, nahirap ako. So, nahirap. I always do that if you para encourage, but when dapat sila mga tao. Okay, good. Now, ngayon na the twin, what man plan apply to work. Kamu decide seperti Roger. Okay, pasti praktis. Okay, kaya ada, mana sila, mungkin mana sila, kung mana puro anak kapan, nasa kagaw nito na para bala. So what other thing plan? Dili lang sa mag-hotel mag-work. So, okay, depende ka. Yung hiring, hindi ba? Dahil lang po, kung wala yung sa work, thank you. Open. Wasan ka ba?